Hey, so I just received my NYX handmade boots. I did order these. These are the Wickett and Craig vegetable tan. I ordered these about like 20 years. No, it took like so long. It took like 8 months or 9 months or something like that to get the boots. They had to send me a try-on pair, and they fit great. I know that normally people do an unboxing. I'm not doing an unboxing right now, but I'll show you what the box looks like, what you receive. So this is the box that you as it arrives from UPS or wherever. So you know immediately it's the NYX boots. Obviously I was like checking the UPS tracking constantly, and you receive this shoe care. There's the only like stuff in here is this and that. Not that I needed more things, but let's go at the boots. So I already put them on. I know it's nice to do unboxing and see them before the laces go on, but they have some people call it kilty or kiltie. I've only heard one person, to be fair, call it a kiltie. This is not kind of like the feathered kind. I like this because I'm not a huge fan of the feathered kiltie. This came with a 1, 2, 3, 4 eyelets, and then these 5 hooks. They feel amazing. This is called the Dogger heel. So it's this heel, it goes inward. I selected, this is an 8-inch boot. This is the Vibram sole, the 100 lug sole. They've really got wonderful stitching in the back. Really, really nice secure pull tab. This is the first time I've had these on, so I just walked around the house once with them. And honestly, like right out of the box, they're freaking super comfortable. I'm really happy that I did the try-on process because that was worth it to know. I did have them narrow these boots from the try-on boots, and these just feel spot on. I'm so happy with them. My 11-year-old said that they look like just normal boots. That's what I love about them. This is the Wickett and Craig vegetable tan boot. This is on the 55 last. And it's got what's that? They're handmade. That's true. Yes, they are. These are handmade in Spokane, Washington. Very like a company that's been around for, I believe, over 100 years. They started out in logging boots, and now they make, this is like in between. This is not a full-on work logging boot, but this is considerably beefier than, say, my whites. They're called the MP boot, if you're familiar with those. So that is more towards a city boot, a very rugged fashion accessory. These are not a logging boot, but these are considerably beefier, thicker, more robust. They fit-wise, so if you do wear whites boots, these feel spot on, like in terms of sizing. They are the same sizing. They use the same sizing as whites does. I thought there would be some initial rubbing or break-in. I feel like I could go do a work day in these right now. Let's see. The 8-inch boot feels great. They had sent me a 10-inch boot that was too much. At first it sounded like a fun idea to have a 10-inch boot, but then when I tried it on for practicality, it wasn't fun. It went too far up my calf, and I'm really happy that I got the 8-inch boots. This is the vegetable tan natural color to the, I'm forgetting what this part is called. This strip of vegetable tan. There's so many different layers in this. I'm psyched. They are as good as I hoped for. This is the Wickett and Craig handmade NYX boots from Spokane, Washington. These are in a size 10.5, narrow, with a natural toe, so no Solastic toe. I didn't want any toe structure. They have solid brass hardware. They come only with 1 pair of shoelaces, with these leather shoelaces, which are great. I love the feel of them. They go on really easily. And I am not disappointed with a single thing about these new boot Goofin. That's what they look like. This is what the sole looks like. Yeah. Peace out.